Hey guys, in continuing with my wintertime improvements on my tractor, today I'm going to install this roof. This is a factory John Deere roof for my 4044R John Deere tractor. It looks like it should be a fairly complication-free installation. However, the size and odd shape of the roof might make it kind of tricky for one person to do. So if you found this video searching for funny failures, maybe it didn't go well, but let's give it a shot and see how it goes. Now for the fun part. Can I get this thing up there and hold it in place while I get the bolts started? We will find out. Saw that coming. Well, now that I've got the roof on, it stopped raining, so I guess it worked. Now this roof with the hardware to mount it, which is sold separately, was about 550 bucks, maybe a hair over, but it looks like it's got pretty good coverage over the operator compartment, and it is adjustable. I can tilt it, the nose up or down. So I'll play with that a little bit, see if I need to move it. Right now I like it down to keep a little bit closer and keep the coverage a little better. But can one person do it? Yes. Should they? Probably not. It was painful and awkward, but it's on, and I've been meaning to do it for a couple weeks. So I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you soon.